Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, I make video about editing, sound design and storytelling for creator like you. Sound effects are the most underrated tools in editing. A single whoosh, thirds or riser can completely change how a scene feels, even if the video itself does not change at all. So let's talk about the three categories that matter most. The first one is the impact sound effects. If you want your audience to feel like wow, that's just happened, an impact sound is your best friend. Why every big reveal in a video, a before after transformation, a plot twist, a text pop up, how the has that heavy thoughts behind it.